Go. Hey, I'm back. We're ready. Here's another equipment-free full body workout. No nonsense, hitting the basics and just going for it. So if you're working out at home, get your area ready so that when you get up in the morning, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go and just do your workout. Strap on your sports bra. Don't even think about it. Don't let your brain talk you out of doing this. Have a jog for about a minute to warm up, and I would love you, my friends, to do this twice through. Can you do that? Yes. Anytime you need to make any modifications, go for it, but just enjoy the workout. Get hot and sweaty, and let's do it right now. To a curtsy squat. Down and up. So these are really fast. Only 20 seconds and only 7 minutes. But you're going to do this twice through. Cross behind and squat. Go again. Ha. Good. All the way back. Hit down on that glute.
3,
one more.
2,
1. Awesome. We are going to roll down, walk out, one push up, and roll down and come back
4,
up.
3,
Ready,
2,
arms to the
1.
top, roll out, push up, roll back in, all the way to the top. So we roll down, we walk out, push up, walk back, again to the top, roll down, walk out,
4,
push
3,
up,
2,
1. Excellent. Turn around, turn over. A V-sit, 20 seconds.
4, 3, 2.
Here we go. Bring the knees
1.
in. Extend and crunch. 2, 5. Good. And again, if this is not feeling it on your lower back, just switch, change exercises. Just do a good core exercise as you go. 4,
3, 2,
and 1. Back up. We're going to run for 8. Touch the floor twice.
4,
Heart rate comes up.
3, 2,
Ready,
1.
go. Here's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, down. Run again. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up. And again, let's go. Run. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, up.
3, 2.
Yes, go, go. Back to your legs. How you feeling? Are you good? Now this is a lateral lunge with a
4,
reach up in the middle.
2.
So we go.
1.
Lateral lunge up. So reach across and then up in the middle. Across and up. Good. That's it. You can do it. Cross over. Come on, do this with me. Go for it.
4,
1
3,
more.
2.
Good.
1.
Down. So a tricep dip. Nobody ever likes these, do they? Hands forward.
3,
Lift the hips
2,
up.
1.
Now, bend your elbows and push down. Keep that going for the full 20 seconds. Good, and push. Now your hands will probably start to move to the side, but keep them close by. 4, 3,
2.
1. Turn around. Okay, we are going to row back halfway, abs in,
4,
and the other
3,
side.
2.
Little bit of rotation. 1, and then up. Good, so I'm just rounding off my back. Little bit of rotation. Again, we'll do 2 more. Here's your final 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cardio 1. 8 jogs and 1 burpee, just a speedy burpee. So I'm going to do it on my mat this way.
3,
Ready,
2,
8 runs.
1.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Down, back, in, and up. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Good. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4,
3, 2.
1. Looking good. How are you feeling? We're good. Okay. Reverse lunge and
4,
squat.
3, 2.
Right
1.
leg. Step back. Squat. Step back. Squat. Step. Squat down. And again. So So I'll just reach and then I'll squat. Forward. Again, reach back.
4,
Squat.
3, 2,
1. Loving this. Now into a plank position. Hold plank and then reach your opposite arms
4, 3,
in front.
2,
So we
1.
reach across. 2, 3, 4. Reach across. 5, 6, 7. Keep going with that reach over. Now we're tightening really hard. 4, 3,
2,
and 1. Good work. And turn over. Opposite arm to opposite leg. So
4,
working through the
3,
obliques.
2,
Lift the hips.
1.
Again. 2, 3, 6. 4,
3, 2,
and 1. Okay, back to your cardio. 8 runs and then 2 hops.
4, 3, 2,
8 runs.
1.
So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop. Run again. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 hops. Run again. You can do it. 1. Double hop. 4,
3, 2,
1. Good work, good work. Okay, now squat. Forward and back, wide to
4,
narrow.
3,
So big squat,
2,
power squat forward. 1, and then wide. Again. There you go. Again, and squat. Back. Keep going. Push. One more.
4, 3, 2,
1. Awesome. Feeling good. We're definitely feeling good. Okay, straight into push-ups.
4, 3,
On your knees or
2,
your toes.
1.
So, push up. Keep going.
4, 3, 2,
Good.
1.
Turn it around. Okay, old school. Elbow across to the knee.
4,
Halfway back.
3, 2,
Here we go. 1, 2. Push again. 3. Again, keep going with the elbow across. Nearly there. 4,
3, 2,
1. Back up. Now as hard as you can, as fast as you can,
4,
just sprint
3,
it out.
2,
Go. 1. Again. So pump back with the elbows. Push forward. Again. Go, go. Now go for it as hard as you can. Keep going. Keep pushing. Elbows all the way. 4, 3,
2.
and 1.
You now have 1 minute.
So there was your initial 7 minutes. Press play. Do the whole thing again. And don't forget to subscribe.